go. Okay, take it off the top.
Okay. Off top?
Uh-huh.
Around?
Yep, turn it over. Take the one off the bottom.
What's around?
Good job. Okay, there should be one more.
One more?
Yep, on the bottom.
Up them?
There you go.
Okay.
There, see that one?
Yeah.
Good job. Now we put it back together.
Did that go?
That doesn't come off. Do you remember how to put it back together? Yeah?
Where did that go?
That goes right here.
Right there?
Yep. There you go. You got close. Turn it around the other way.
Alright.
Mama show ya?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, sure.
Okay, let me see. Okay, put your screw in here. Yeah, put your screw in. Right here. No, where Mama's thumb is.
Mama's thumb.
There you go. Now get your drill. Oh, you know what? We forgot to turn it. Hold on. Let's push your... Hold on. Let's push your lever. I forgot. Okay, now go. Oh, Mama's gonna drop it. Hold on. Take your screw out. Okay, put your screw in. Can you put your screw in? Alright, that's enough. I know you're banging. Put your screw in. Right there. Now drill it in. Good job. Can you go a little further?
That one's...
Okay, drill it in. Good job.